Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube here, and I am doing a acrylic pour on a lovely piece of pine. This is a pine round that it's an actual table. It's got a metal base to it, so I've took the base off it, and I am currently just putting a coat of my acrylic, just an ordinary acrylic paint. It's paint that's got the pouring medium and everything in. I'm just giving it a coat over because it's quite a rough surface. And I think it'll soak up just all the paint. It'll really suck the paint in. So I'm giving it a coat of with this sponge brush. I mean, maybe I should even give it a second coat, but I think I'll just give it the one, and we'll get on to the next stage after this. So I'm here. I did the first coat and it's dry, and I just gently went over it with this fine sanding wedge. So I'm not too worried about the sides, the sides look a bit rough because that's how the timber was, and I'm not too fussed about it. So I just wipe it over, and then we'll get on to the next stage of this exciting episode. Rightio, I'm going to go back over with the pale grey. It's pale grey that I've got on there, but I just need, I think, to add a little bit water to this paint because it's thickened up a fair bit. So I just want to be able to have something on there so I can obviously blow the paint off. Not sure if I'd like a darker edge on this one. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. Yeah, that very edge is not very, it's quite rough, but that's how I bought it. So I could always, I'll think of something to do after that. I'll just work on the top for now. But I'm just, do I do a dark background or do I stick with, I might even do a bit of both. I might do a lighter corner. I want to do something that's odd, not, and then like this maybe. I hope I don't need any more of that paint because it's all run out. And it was a custom colour. But that doesn't matter. I'll think of something as I go along. So I'm going to just do this odd composition you might find. It's odd. But I'm going to try it. Why not? That's it. There's no rules in this at all. That's the only rule there is. The rule is there's no rules. So you do exactly what you choose to do. Rightio, and I might add some dark navy. On this bit. Always put marbles on the bottom of my containers, so helps you mix the paint. That went a bit AWOL. There we go. So I will, not too worried because I'm going to add some colours to give a chaos blow to, so. I might add on this one some of my champagne, which is 50% metallic gold and 50% silver. I'm going to add that. Going to add my phthalo blue. I think this is cyan blue, C-Y-A-N, cyan. I think it's called cyan blue. Or cyan, is it cyan? Cyan, cyan, whatever an it is. And then I'll go with the turquoise beach, I think this one is. I'll just put a bit of the lighter in there. And just some white, I think. Where's my white? Okie doke. The white in here, just on the inside. Let's see how I go blowing this one out. I really do like that gold, so I might just put a bit more on the inside so I can blow that into the navy. Rightio. Just hoping I've got enough paint to send it over the edge, but I'll work it out if I haven't. So I'll just whiz over it firstly with my heat gun. Now I really need to think about this, how I'm going to blow this one out. Might turn that around. That is beautiful. That gold. I'm calling it my champagne sparkle or something nice like that. Rightio. Really trying to get some of this paint over the edge to cover my sides up so I don't have to think of plan B. No, that's it. Wow. Wow! Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I think I might have to put some kind of trim on the side because it's really quite rough. I mean, I could, when it's fully dry, maybe even rub it back down again to the like bare wood. So it's got like a bare wood edge. Probably should have left it the bare wood edge, but I didn't. So there you go. But I really love that. So this is, well, it was going to be a side table for myself, but I'm thinking I might give it as a gift. But we'll see, because this goes in my colours really nicely. That's beautiful, really happy with that. I will just let this dry off a bit before I take the masking tape. I don't let it dry fully before I take the masking tape off, because sometimes it's hard to get off, but that is absolutely gorgeous and I am so happy with that. It's got some gorgeous sort of laciness there. But that is really, really nice. That would look so nice on a really nice big round MDF hung. And I'm definitely going to resin this, because I did the tabletops for my daughter. So these are side tables. They're all dry now. So I'm just waiting for a coat of to put a coat of resin on these to finish them off. So they're kind of a sofa table. They fit on a frame that then goes over the arm of the sofa. So they'll have a resin, sort of trying to find a countertop resin that has got some heat resistance in it. You know, so she puts a coffee cup, which she will do, or anything like that, it won't affect the nice top. So there you go. That, I am super duper pleased with that today. That is gorgeous, really gorgeous. And now I want to do one in bright colours like I love. So okay, my dear people, thank you so much for joining me on my crazy art journey. I hope that you have a go at these things that I'm doing. If you do, you can always post them on our Australian acrylic pouring group. It's meant for anyone. So until tomorrow, bye for now.